right. Right, first one write down aerial. अब ये ना मैंने मिशन नाम पता करना है aerial. Aerial. बलागन को aerial tissue तो मैं अभी ना tissue क्या आता है इतना नहीं जाना है. Right. All तेरे other my offer. And this is white fibrous tissue. हम यहाँ देखो white fibrous fibers. नंतर ये वाले क्या ना collagen fibers. Collagen fibers. Collagen fibers. Another type of fibers that is known as yellow fibers. And make a proper connective tissue एक कहलाती है yellow fibers. And there are other types of reticular fibers. Some full party के पेन आते हैं ना reticular fibers. एक है branch, high branch reticular fibers. Then actually there are three types of fibers in tissue. Now, ඊට අමතරව දැන් තියෙනවා එකකට මෙන්න මේවා. These are fibroblasts. Fibroblasts. Then actually fibroblasts are the cells that secrete fibers. Fibers are no fibroblasts. उसे තියෙන ඔන්න ওই ටික විතරයි තියෙන්නේ. මේ ඒවා ගොඩක් වෙලා තියෙන මෙන්න මේ fibers ගාව තමයි තියෙන්නේ. These are known as fibroblasts. එනවා. Fibers ගාව තියෙන්නේ. පැහැදිලිද මේක? ලොකු පරිද්ද? පැහැදිලිද මේක? ඔව්. නදිනි පැහැදිලිද? ඕකේ මම ෆොටෝ එකක් දාන්න නැත්නම්. පැහැදිලිද? ඕකේ
Oh, sir, පැහැදිලි කියන්නේ පේනවා ඒක.
මම ඒක පොඩිවට ඇදුනේ. තව ටිකක් ලොකුවට අඳින්න තිබ්බා යට. දැන් කොහොමද? දැන් පේනව නේද? දැන් අදවන්න මෙන්න මෙහෙම තියෙනවා. Then these are adipocytes. Adipocytes. ඔය වගේ cells තියෙනවා. Adipocytes. සමහරවල් දෙනා මෙන්න මෙහෙම. Mast cells. Mast cells. ඔන්න ඔය cells ටික තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් මේ තියෙන මොකද්ද? මේ ඔක්කොම තියෙන matrix එක. Matrix. On a matrix given. There are a number of cells, types of cells, common characteristics. නේද? එහෙනම් මේවා මේ මොනවද? Collagen fibers. Collagen. අත මේ තියෙන white fibers. මේවා ඉන්න elastin. නැත්නම් yellow fiber. Yellow fiber. Reticule. දැන් පේනවාද මේ fibers වර්ග තුනම තියෙනවා නේද? fibers වර්ග තුනම තියෙනවා. Right. Then others are cells. Various types of cells are there. අදින් දෙපා දැම්ම. මෙතන තියෙන මොනවද? Fat cells. Fat cells. තව තමයි කියන adipocytes. Adipocytes, fat cells, adipocytes. These are mast cells. Mast cells. Mast cells. These are fibroblasts. 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 Right. Then this is the structure. What is the structure? How is the aerial tissues? Huh? Right. Api balum hai na. Write down the aerial tissue. So all the aerial tissue එක කොතනද තියෙන්නේ කියලා. That is loose connective tissue. There are actually types of loose connective tissue. Here it is given that loose connective tissue. Aerial tissue කියලා තමයි දීලා තියෙන්නේ. Aerial tissue is for loose connective tissue. එමල්ලියන් aerial tissue is for loose connective tissue. That is a type of loose connective tissue. Aerial tissue. Now අපේ classification එක ඔයාලා පේනවා ඒක කොතනද තියෙන්නේ කියන්නේ. Right. Right now this tissue is let's try now. This tissue is the most widely distributed. This tissue is the most widely distributed connective tissue. This tissue is the most widely distributed connective tissue type. This tissue is the most widely distributed connective tissue type in the vertebrate body. In the vertebrate body. This tissue is the most widely distributed connective tissue type in the vertebrate body. This can be considered. This can be considered. This can be considered. This can be considered as the generalized type of connective tissue. This can be considered as the generalized type of connective tissue. Generalized type of connective tissues. This tissue is the most widely distributed connective tissue type in the vertebrate's body. Next, this can be considered as the generalized type of connective tissue. Considered as the generalized type of connective tissue. හරි ඒකල මේක ඇඳ ගන්න. මම ෆොටෝ එකක් දාන්න. අඳින්න මේක. අන්න. පේනවද? පැහැදිලිද? ස්ක්‍රීන් ෂෙයා කරනවා. Fibroblasts කියනවා මේ fibers ළඟ තියෙනවා. ඒක මෙහෙ ඇඳෙන්න පුළුවන්. There's another type of cell, plasma cells. Plasma. The white blood cells can be seen. White blood cells would make it in. මෙසේජ් එකක් තියන්න හදලා මෙසේජ් එකක් තියන්න හදලා ෆොටෝ ලස්සනට ගන්න. වටේට ෆොටෝ ලස්සනට ගහගන්න. මේක නියයිනේ. හරි බලන්න මේකේ ඉඳලා ඉවරන පොඩ්ඩක් මම දාලා තියෙනවා දැන් වෙලාව ඇති. මේකේ බලන්න දැන් මේ common characteristic target connective tissues වල තියෙන common characteristic can be seen. මොනවද තියෙන්නේ? Matrix. Right? The matrix have been formed by the cells. හරි matrix එක සමහර cells වලින් තමයි secrete කරන්නේ. අනිත් එක there are three types of fibers. collagen තියෙනවා reticular fibers තියෙනවා elastic or elastic fibers තියෙනවා right then there are number of cells දැන් ගොඩක් cell වර්ග මේකේ තියෙනවා මේකට මේක ඇවිල්ලා මොකද මේකලා proper connective tissue right as well as this is loose connective cells tissue because the semi-solid matrix can be seen as well as loosely arranged cells and fibers have been loosely arranged in the matrix. Matrix එකේ මේවා loosely තමයි arranged වෙන්නේ. ඒකින්ද මේක proper connective tissue එකක් කියන්නේ මේ හැම එකම අනිත් ඒවා කියන හැම ලක්ෂණයක්ම මෙයාගේ තියෙනවා proper. හරි ඒ වගේම මේකේ loosely arranged වෙලා තියෙන cells and මේ fibers. ඒක loosely connected. Right? Then there are number of cells. Right? So you can observe fibroblasts. Fibroblasts කියලා කියන්නේ මේ fibers secrete කරනවා. Now fibroblasts are there then fat cells and fat cells හරි නැත්නම් අපි කියනවා adipocytes හරි එහෙනම් මේක මොකක්ද අපි කියන්නේ areolar tissue that is the typical connective tissue typical connective tissue එක ලියන්න කිව්වොත් මොකක්ද short note එක මේක තමයි ලියන්න තියෙන්නේ එහෙනම් ලියන්න මෙන්න මෙහෙම. First one, write down matrix. Subheading is matrix. matrix is gelatinous. Matrix is gelatinous. Matrix is gelatinous. Semi-solid. Matrix is gelatinous and semi-solid. Matrix is gelatinous and semi-solid. Between brackets, I write down jelly-like. So to all the pain of me method, common characteristic is jelly-like matrix. එහෙනම් සමහර connective tissues වල jelly like මොනවාද matrix එකක් තියෙන ඒක තමයි උදාහරණය කවුද areola tissue හරි right එහෙනම් ලියන්න matrix is gelatinous semi solid and semi solid within bracket jelly like. Second one, there are three main types of fibers in matrix. There are three main types of fibers in matrix. There are three main types of fibers in matrix. There are three main types of fibers in matrix. First one, they are collagen or white fibers. Collagen is called white fibers. White fibers. Now protein වලින් හැදලා තියෙන්නේ ඒක තියෙන reticulin protein white fibers collagen වලින් හැදලා තියෙන්නේ. Collagen fibers first one collagen fibers or white fibers. Within bracket write down collagen protein. Right. Second one, elastic protein, elastic fibers or yellow fibers. Elastic fibers or yellow fibers. Elastin protein. Within bracket write down elastin protein. You are protein. Elastin protein elastic or yellow fibers. Third one, reticular fibers. You are reticulin protein. Reticulin protein. Reticular fibers made from reticulin protein. මේක වරන් ඇතුළේ යන හැදලා තියෙන protein එකේ ඇති. Next point, fibers are loosely arranged. Fibers are loosely arranged. Fibers are loosely arranged. Fibers are loosely arranged and wavy in nature. 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 Wavy in nature. Fibers are loosely arranged and wavy in nature. Wavy in nature තියෙන කවුද? Collagen fibers. ඒක within brackets write down collagen fibers. Collagen fibers. Wavy in nature. Other fibers are branched. Other fibers are branched. Never branched. Other fibers are branched. Other fibers are branched. Within brackets write down elastic and reticular fibers. Elastic and reticular fibers. Other fibers are branched. Example, within brackets